Hello, friends. So, today we're going to discuss Class 7th Science, Chapter 9 Heat. Heading: Observe and discuss. What are the causes of what you see happening in the picture below? Write in the boxes. Heading: Try this. Rub your palms against each other and put them on your cheeks. What do you feel? We come to know that some properties of heat energy from the examples in the pictures and the above activity. The sun's heat has many effects and uses. How does the solar heat reach the earth? Why does the heat in the water heated to boiling slowly decrease once it is taken off the flame? Where does this heat go? The moisture in the air cools down due to ice cubes in the glass and collects on the outside of the glass. A thermometer is used to measure the temperature of a substance. We have already studied the change in the state of matter caused by heat. Heading: Transfer of heat. Subheading: Can you tell? 1. Why does the halwai wrap the cloth around the end of his slotted spoon while stirring the boiled milk in his large kadai? 2. Why do we hold a steel glass in a handkerchief while drinking hot milk from it? What are other examples of this kind? Make a note of them. When we take a hot object in the vicinity of a cold one, the cold object becomes warm and the hot one becomes cooler. From this, we can infer that heat is transferred from a hot body to a cold body. Transfer of heat means flow of heat from one place to another. Subheading: Use your brain power. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Heading: Methods of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. Subheading: Apparatus. Bars of stainless steel, aluminium, and copper, a candle, a burner, pins, etc. Subheading: Procedure. Take stainless steel (bracket opens) or iron (bracket close), copper and aluminium bars, each about 30 cm long and having the same shape. Apply wax spots with the help of a candle at a distance of 2 cm from each other on all the 3 bars. Stick a pin in each of the spots so that this is upright. Now, insert the ends of all 3 bars into a flame at the same time. Observe for a while. What do you see? From which bar do the pins start falling first? Why? Pins start falling from the end near the burner. It means that the transfer of heat takes place from the hot end of the bar to the cold end. This transfer of heat from the hot part of an object to the cold part is called conduction of heat. The pins on the copper bar start falling first. The pins on the steel bar fall comparatively late. Heat is conducted quickly through copper. Conduction of heat through a substance depends on the property of that substance. That conduction of heat takes place through a solid substance shows that a medium is required for the conduction of heat. Subheading: How does the transfer of heat takes place through a liquid? Subheading: Apparatus. Subheading: Apparatus. A beaker, potassium permanganate crystals, a burner, water, etc. Subheading: Procedure. Take some water in a beaker. Heat the beaker slowly on a gas burner. Drop a few crystals of potassium permanganate into the water. Now, watch the water in the beaker carefully. What do you see? You will see streams of water going upwards and coming back to the bottom. Due to potassium permanganate, these magenta colored streams can be identified easily. When heating begins, water near the water bottom becomes warm and its density decreases. As a result, it moves upward and is replaced by cold water coming from above. In this manner, heat is transferred by means of current called convection currents. This process is called convection of heat. Box. Convection can occur in liquid and gaseous substances. Convection needs a medium. Subheading apparatus. A test tube, a piece of ice, wire gauze, a burner, a candle, etc. Procedure. Take some water in a test tube. Wrap a piece of ice in a wire gauze and drop it in the test tube. It will sink to the bottom. Now, using a test tube holder, hold the test tube at a slant as shown in the figure. Heat the upper part of the test tube. Stop heating when the water starts boiling. Observe the ice at the bottom. The heat does not reach the bottom even though the upper part is heated. How did this happen? The density of water decreased due to heating. Therefore, it cannot sink and the process of convection does not occur. Procedure. Light a candle and stand it upright. Hold your hands on its two sides at some distance from the candle. Bring them closer. What do you feel? Have you warmed yourself near a bonfire or in the morning sun in winter? The sun is millions of kilometers away from us. There is no air between the sun and the earth, and the earth's atmosphere is only a thin layer of air close to earth. Then, how does the heat of the sun reach us? This heat is transferred in the absence of any medium. The transfer of heat that takes place in this way without a medium is called radiation. Box. Heading. A wonder of science. Radiation of heat takes place from many objects in nature, such as trees, mountains, stones, and roads. A camera has been developed which uses these radiations to make our surroundings visible at night. It is called an infrared camera. Using this camera, it is possible to keep a watch on the movements of the enemy during the night. When heat rays fall on an object, a part of the heat is absorbed by the object and a part of it is reflected. The ability of a substance to absorb heat radiation depends on its color and also its intrinsic properties. Heading. Let's try this. Subheading. Apparatus. Two aluminium tins of the same size. Two small glasses. Water, thermometer, black paint, etc. Procedure. Paint the outer surface of one tin with black paint and let it dry. Then, in both tins, place one glass, each filled with water at the same temperature. Cover the tins with lids. Keep them in sun for 2 hours. Now, measure the temperature of the water in the glasses in the two tins. What is the reason for the difference in temperature? Heading. Good and bad conductors of heat. Place a steel spoon, a copper strip or rod, a divider from your compass box, a pencil, a plastic ruler in the glass beaker. Pour hot water, bracket open, Heat it up to 60 degrees to 70 degrees Celsius, bracket close, into the beaker. Wait for a while. Then touch the outer end of each of the objects. Record your observations in the table below. Table heading 1, Object. Table heading 2, How hot is the outer end? Bracket open, very hot, hot, warm, as cool as the atmosphere. Bracket close. Heading, what interference will you draw from this? Some substances are good conductors of heat, while some are bad conductor of heat. Heat is easily conducted through a copper strip or pot, but not through plastic or wood. We can hold a glass tumbler or a china cup full of hot tea easily in our hand, but not a steel or a copper cup if the same tea is poured into them. Heading, use your brain power. Why do we use white clothes in summers and dark or black cloths in winter? Heading, let's try this. Apparatus, a metal ring, a metal ball, a burner. Heading, expansion and contraction of a solid substance due to heat. Subheading, activity 1. Take a metal ring and metal ball of such size that the ball just passes through the ring. Heat the ball and check whether it passes through the ring. Now, let the ball cool down and check whether it passes through the ring. The above experiment tells that metals expand on heating and contract on cooling. Solid expand due to heat and come back to original state if heat is removed. However, the extent to which different solids expand is different. Heading, use your brain power. Why is there a gap at the joints of rails and of cement concrete bridges? Heading, expansion and contraction of liquids due to heat. Subheading, apparatus. 500 ml conical flask, 2-hole rubber stopper, glass tube, measuring ruler, thermometer, stand, wire gauze, burner, graph paper, etc. Subheading, procedure. Fill the conical flask completely with water. Insert the glass tube and the thermometer in the 2 holes of the stopper and fill it to the conical flask. Heat the water and with the help of the ruler, record the water level in the glass tube after every 2 degrees Celsius rise in temperature. Take about 10 readings. Observe what happens when heating is stopped. Draw a graph to show the changes in water level as the temperature rises. When a liquid is heated, the distance between the particle increases and its volume too increases. This is called expansion of liquids. When the temperature falls, the liquid contracts. Heading, expansion and contraction of gases due to heat. Apparatus, glass bottle, balloon, hot water, etc. Subheading, procedure. Fix a balloon on the mouth of a glass bottle. Hold this bottle in hot water. What happens? The volume of a gas increases on heating. This is called expansion of the gas. On the other hand, on removing heat, the volume of the gas decreases. This is called contraction of the gas. Box. Use your brain power. Why is mercury or alcohol used in thermometer? Box. Heading, great scientists. Sir James Dewar was a Scottish scientist. He made the first thermos in 1892. That is why it is called Dewar flask. Even today, a Dewar flask is used for keeping a substance cold or hot. Heading, thermos flask, bracket open, Dewar flask, bracket close. You might have seen a thermos flask used for keeping tea, coffee, milk, etc. hot or a sharbat cold for a long time? What is its structure and how does it function? This is a double walled flask. It consists of glass tubes, one inside the other, with a gap between them sealed. The surface of both these tubes are made shiny by a silver coating. The air between the two tubes is removed to create a vacuum. There is a protective jar of metal or plastic outside the tubes. For the protection of flask, pieces of sponge or rubber are fixed between the outer jar and the flask. Heading: Function of the thermos flask. When a hot substance is placed in a thermos flask, the heat going out gets reflected due to shining surface of the inner tube. Hence, heat is not radiated. Neither conduction nor convection of the heat occurs because of the vacuum. As a result, heat is not transferred to the outer cooler regions and is retained inside for a long time. Still, little heat is lost from around the lid and by a small amount of conduction through glass. Therefore, the hot substance does not remain as hot after 2 to 3 hours. Heading: Find out. What is meant by thermoware? Thank you.